Here's how to make your Snapchat account from public to private. Now, if you wanted your account to be completely private so people can't see you, can't find you, can't see your content, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, enter into the Snapchat app on your iPhone or Android, works the exact same, and tap on your profile at the top left. After you've done that, let's tap on the gear icon at the top right to get to your settings. And within the settings, all you need to do is scroll down and you're looking for the section called privacy controls. The key ones to go to are see my location. You can switch this to ghost mode until you turn it off so no one can see your location. But you would also recommend going in and tapping view my story, making sure this is set to my friends, or you can set to custom. Now you also want to go back out of here and go to see me and find friends. You want to make sure this is toggled off because you don't want people to see you in that Find My section and completely make it private. Next, I would go to Contact Me, and you want to switch this from Friends and Contacts to just your friends and hit OK. You also want to go back out here and do other things. On here, you can see the comment settings towards the bottom. Tap on that, and I would switch this to manually approve all comments for you by yourself. After that, I would also recommend going to the California and Florida privacy choices, and you can limit use of your personal information. Just toggle both of these on. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.